Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel where we review anything and everything. And today we're actually taking a look at the, I hope I pronounced this right, Yootech wireless charger 10 watt max charging stand. So essentially it's a wireless charger that's also a stand. Obviously, like I just mentioned, it's 10 watt max, but just to kind of give a perspective, when I'm charging my phone, just one of your modern, I guess you could say, standard cell phones of 20, within that range of like say 2019 and up. My phone is particularly 2019, but that it came out, but within that range, most batteries somewhat about the same. If I'm down to like about 10% or less, it probably takes about 2.5 to about like 2 hours and 10 minutes to fully charge. Now, when it comes to wireless chargers in general, I want to point out that one of the things I think is a positive is you're always going to get a consistent charge for whatever that rate is. So even if it's not a super fast rate, it's a consistent charge. So you don't have to worry about issues of the charging cable going directly into, your phone's charging port, or in this case my phone uses a USB-C charging port, and having issues where depending on the cord you're not getting a good charge. So I've had that with some bad cables where I plug it in. At one point it's fast charging. A couple years later, I don't know if it's the cable, I don't know if it's the base part going into the wall outlet part, but the charging block, but it goes from like a fast charge to a couple months later a very slow creep charge, where it's like sometime it'll tell me 4 hours till it's fully charged, or 5 hours, which is crazy. It means something's wrong. So when you use a wireless charger, you don't have to worry about that being an issue. In terms of the connecting ports, it's obviously just kind of automatic going through the wirelessly through the phone itself. So that's one thing I want to note in terms of being a positive. In terms of what this thing comes with, so you could buy a single pack where it just comes with this and it comes with its own USB cable, or you can buy I bought actually the double pack, which is just two of the same ones, and on Amazon they go for about $26.99 currently at the time of this video. I'm going to throw the link up in the description, so if you happen to catch it on a sale. I caught mine on a sale, I think it was around Prime Day last year, and I got it for about about $4 off from that price. So check it out. I think it's definitely worth the purchase. I had it now for about a year. I had no problems with it, so it's been long tested. I had no problems with it, and I definitely will recommend it. So you guys check it out. All right guys, catch you guys in the next video.